Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Kajabi and Mighty Networks, two of the most talked about platforms for creators, educators, and online entrepreneurs in 2025. We're breaking this down so you can decide on which one is the right for you, for your business, for your community, or your online product launch. Let's get started. Kajabi, in simple terms, is an all-in-one digital business platform where people sell online courses, digital products, memberships, coaching, and even podcasts. It's designed to be a single hub where you can build your site, you can host your content as well, manage marketing, run email campaigns, and handle payments. It's a true ecosystem more than a single tool. Everything from course creation to sales funnel lives in one place. On the flip side, Mighty Networks started with the focus on community building. So think online social spaces, discussion feeds, member groups, events, and networking tools. And over the years, it's added monetization and course features. The entire product is made to foster connection and engagement versus just delivering content. So the high-level difference is this. Kajabi is built for selling and scaling the digital business, which includes courses, products, funnels, emails, analytics, the whole package. While Mighty Networks is built for building active, sticky communities where people connect, interact, and stay engaged. So let us talk about the main features of these platforms. We'll start with Kajabi. Kajabi gives you a complete digital product stack, course creation and LMS. You can build video lessons, quizzes, drip content, assessment, and organize modules. It's also used for website and landing pages. You can fully customize sites and pages with templates built in. Sales funnels. There are built-in funnels that help you convert visitors into buyers. Email marketing and automation. You can send segmented emails, behavior triggered campaigns, and automated sequences directly in the platform. And analytics. You can see deep insights into revenue, cost progress, email performance, and lots more. AI tools as well. Kajabi includes AI-driven content and marketing assistance to streamline creation and personalization. And there's also monetization flexibility. Yes, courses, memberships, recurring subscriptions, payment plans, coaching programs, you name it. In short, Kajabi helps you build and grow not just content, but an entire online business. How about Mighty Networks? Mighty Networks puts community first, and that comes through in features like the community feeds and discussion spaces where members can post, comment, and like and engage, plus there are member profiles. Events and live streaming. You can run events, Zoom integration is available, and you can do live sessions inside the community. Groups and sub-communities. You can organize people into segmented spaces with different access and discussion topics. And there's also a mobile-first experience. Yes, the branded mobile app makes it easy for members to stay engaged on the go. Monetization options. You can sell memberships, you can sell access to content, and even courses, although the course tools are lighter than Kajabi's course tool. So while Mighty does support course content and monetization, its core strength remains engagement and connection, not sales funnels or advanced marketing automation. So what is the pricing like for both platforms? With Kajabi, there's a Kickstarter plan at $89 per month, there's a basic plan at $179 per month, and there's the growth plan at $249 per month, a pro plan at $499 per month. But the great thing is if you decide to do an annual payment, you get a slash in the amount that you're going to pay. And you can also get started for free. Means there's like a 7-day trial that's applicable to it. How about the pricing for Mighty Networks? Well, to create a community, you also can enjoy a 14-day free trial. Yes, in there. Then you can start paying. For the courses plan, you get $109 per month. The business plan, $189 per month. The growth plan, $360 per month. And the Mighty Pro plan that includes the branded app, you have to request a custom pricing for that. And if you want just the basics, just the community plan, you get to pay $49 per month when billed annually. Now, this price is when you bill monthly, it gets increased. So let us talk about the pros and cons of these platforms. We start with the pros. For Kajabi, it's an all-in-one business platform that includes website, email, courses, and marketing in one place. You also get access to deep analytics and automation. There are strong monetization tools, there's payment flexibility and funnel builders, and there's the use of AI to streamline your workflow. And the pros of Mighty Networks? Excellent community engagement tools are available. You get notifications, groups, events, and there's also the branded mobile app feature that keeps members connected on the app. Also, there's a lower basic pricing, which is $49, that you can get started with. And the cons of the platforms? With Kajabi, the cost is higher, so it can be pricey for beginners or small creators. And the community features aren't as native or as sticky as Mighty is. And the cons for Mighty? It lacks advanced marketing automation and sales funnels, and the cost tools are merely basic because it's majorly for community building. So which one should you choose in 2025? Well, it depends on your goal. In summary, I would say Kajabi is best for business builders and course creators who want rich marketing and monetization tools all under one roof. But Mighty Networks is best for community-first creators who prioritize engagement and social interaction over advanced marketing automation. And that's it on the review and comparison of Mighty Networks and Kajabi. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Thinkific, Podia, and Circle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.